Hey guys! So today I'm going to show you how I do my flat twist out, only using 10 twists. So first I'm going to add a little bit of water, and then I'm going to use the ENTWINE Contour 9-in-1 leave-in. Next, I'm using the ENTWINE Couture Hydrator. And then I'll go ahead and moisturize all 4 sections. Now I'm ready to part my hair using a wide-toothed comb. I'm going to start on the left side and just do a deep side part that I'm going to bring all the way to the back of my head, so parting from front to back. Then I'm going to do another deep part going from left to right, so the part starts at the top of my head and goes behind my ear. Now I'm going to go back to the side section and do a part starting from the front of my head and going to the back. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of the ENTWINE Couture Styler Cream Jelly, and this just helps give my hair a little bit more hold. Now, time for the flat twist. I'm going to take the first section and then divide this into 2 pieces. So now you have your front section and your back section. You're going to clamp one between your thumb, grab the other piece that's at the top that you clamp between your middle finger, wrap it around, put your your index finger underneath, and twist. So wrap it around, index finger underneath, grab some more hair. So you grab the hair with the other hand, and that's just long enough for you to switch, clamp it with the middle, and bring the index underneath. So grab some more hair, grab the top section with the other hand, clamp it with the middle finger, put the index finger underneath, and grab some more hair. So you're holding the hair with the other hand so that you can switch it with the middle and then put the index finger underneath, and that's what allows you to twist. So when I say twist, you're grabbing it with the other hand, clamping it with the middle finger, and then reaching the index finger underneath so that the hair that was at the bottom is now at the top. Then once you get to the bottom, just keep twisting down the length of the hair. Go ahead and add a little bit more water, smooth that in, and then add a little bit more product. I do this so I can keep my ends really nice and curled and moisturized. So it keeps my ends looking neat, and then it also gives them extra moisture so that they don't break. Then I wrap it around my finger and I'm all set. So I do three twists on the side, 3 twists on the back, so that's 6 twists in total that are going towards the back. Now I'm ready to do the front section, and this I'm going to part from left to right. So this part is going to go from one side of my head to the other. And feel free to add some more water if your hair has started to dry out before you add on the cream jelly, the styler. And here I'm just showing you that motion again, where you twist underneath, grab the hair, and clamp. So once you start to get the hang of it, you can go a little faster, and that's kind of how I did that section. And I'll show you again on the front in just a second. So in the very front section, I'm going to grab a piece, separate that into two sections. And there you have it, 10 flat twists that I'm going to allow to air dry overnight. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm just applying some coconut oil to my hands before I start to untwist. In this process, I just like to take my time, carefully unraveling each twist. Especially in the front, take your time in the front because that's what people see. So I go ahead and I take the water, spray a little bit just to get it a little sleek, and then I grab some edge control and I slay those edges, honey. You just gotta slay those edges. And then I get my brush and it just keeps slicking them down. Just keep slicking them down. And just tuck it behind my ear. And then I also go ahead and massage the scalp just to kind of get rid of those parts so you can't really tell. Alright everyone, that was my flat twist out updated routine. I hope you guys liked it. Please rate, comment, subscribe, let me know how you enjoyed it, what other videos do you want to see, and thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!